boneless chicken and cut it into small pieces. Add ginger garlic paste, soy sauce, chili sauce, white vinegar, white pepper, salt, black pepper, red chili flakes. Mix it well. Marinate it for at least half an hour. Cut the veggies into cubic form. Also remove the seeds of tomatoes. Onion, capsicum, and tomato is main ingredient. Add 2 teaspoons all into frying pan. Then add veggies into the pan. Keep on frying them for just 2 minutes. Sauté them slightly. Then dish out from the pan and keep aside for further use. Fry the marinated chicken into the same pan. Keep changing the sides and slightly fry from all sides. Then add half cup of water. Mix, then cover and cook until tender and all water dries. Now prepared shashlik sauce. Add 1 cup of tomato ketchup and half cup of chili garlic sauce. White vinegar 1 teaspoon. Chili sauce 1 teaspoon. Soy sauce 1 teaspoon. White pepper 1 teaspoon. Combine it well. Our shashlik sauce is ready. Our chicken is done and all water dries up. Now add prepared shashlik sauce. Mix it well with chicken. Leave it on low flame. Add 1 tablespoon of corn flour into half cup of water. Give it a good mix. Our slurry is ready. It make our gravy thicker. Add slurry into the pan. I had added 1 cup of water after mixing the sauce into chicken. Our gravy start getting thickening after adding slurry. Perfect thickness is done. Now add frying veggies into it. Mix it with gravy, then cover for 2 minutes. Turn the flame off after 2 minutes. Our chicken shashlik is ready. 2 tablespoons of oil in another pan. Ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon. Stir fry it. Add chopped cabbage and capsicum into it. Then add half teaspoon of salt, black pepper. Mix it and fry veggies for 2 minutes. Keep on stirring. Then add boiled rice. Give it a good mix then. Cover and give a simmer for 5 minutes. Serve fried rice with chicken shashlik. Enjoy your delicious meal. Must try at home. Thanks for watching.